Should we go that way or that way? There's a harvest. You know, I'll grab the harvester.
Oh, there's guys here.
It's on me.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Right in front. Hey, Watson.
Fuck off, man.
What?
I'm getting beamed. Can I just have a fucking, like, advantage?
What the fuck was that?
Holy shit.
Damn, bro.
No way.
Oh my god. Yo, we're getting fucking dick down. I don't want to be that guy. Look
Right behind you, right behind you.
Holy fuck. I'm dead. Wow. Holy fuck, dude. Oh my god. Motherfucker
Dude,
didn't
you're
hit.
telling me.
You didn't
Oh
miss a
my
shot.
God.
Holy shit. You didn't miss.
That Octane, yeah. He's just better.
Fuck me.
Pro gamer like that.
I'm so dead.